Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be doing a very quick and easy natural hair updo. Okay, with my hair well stretched, I'm going to go ahead and divide this into two equal parts and ensure that excuse me, the part I have in the middle is as clean as I can possibly get it to be. Okay, so once I've successfully achieved that, I'm going to go ahead to have one portion of my hair up in a quick twist while I concentrate on the other section of my hair. So this gel I'm going to be using for today, just because I couldn't find Eco Styler gel around me and I needed to film this video for you guys today. So I'm going to be using that hair gel and I'm going to go ahead and apply that in sections all over my hair. This is just going to help my hair sleek even better. Guys, my hair is obviously natural, so I have to apply not so much gel, right, but I have to apply it in a way that is going to be easy for me to sleek down my hair without necessarily using so much gel in my hair. All right, so once I've had that gel in, I'm going to go ahead and grab this is an afro comb, right? I'm going to go ahead and use that to properly detangle my hair, and this is also going to help me distribute that gel properly into my hair. Next, I'm going to be going into a much smaller comb and I'll go ahead to properly detangle my hair as well and also smoothing this section of my hair while also distributing that gel into my hair. Okay, next I'm going to grab a scrunchie or a little hairband and I'm going to use that to have my hair up in a tiny ponytail or a tiny bun. All right, and I'll do the same thing to the other side of my hair. Yeah. All right, so once I have both sections of my hair in two buns or ponytails, I'm going to go ahead and lay my edges, right, with that edge control. I can't remember the name. If I do remember the name, I'll leave it on the screen, but you can use any edge control that works well for you. All right, next I'm going to go ahead and lay my edges on both sides. All right, slick the hair down as possible. Then I'll go in with another scrunchie, and this time I'm going to have my hair in a baby bun. All right, I'm going to just squeeze. Is it squeeze now? Just have that like that, as you guys can see, and then with the leftover hair I'm just going to wrap that around itself to create a baby bun. Yeah, you guys get it, Abby? Yeah, so I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side of my head as well. So once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and grab this piece of hair that I saw lying down somewhere in my wardrobe. All right, is it wardrobe? My cupboard, where I keep my hair stuff. Okay, and I'm going to use that to wrap around one bun. That was how I was able to achieve this. Okay, you guys, this thing is actually looking good already. So I'm going to be doing the other parts right now for you guys to see exactly what I did. So yes, I went ahead to grab just a piece of hair from the beginning of that tract, I don't know. Then I just used that to wrap around my bun. You guys, if you follow me on this channel, if you watched a number of my videos, you will know that this is a very simple thing to do. I've done this over and over again in some of my videos. All right, so what I did was just wrap that around until I ran out of that particular piece of hair. Then I went in with the rest of the track, and I just went round that baby bun I did before until I got to the end of this particular weave. All right, then what I'm going to do is to just grab a piece of hair from there, as you guys can see. All right, and that's what I'm going to use to wrap around the base of this particular section to hide, you know, that beginning part of the bundle. I'm going to use this to wrap it around to hide it so that nobody can see that beginning part of a weave, right? It's just the hair that's coming out, like you guys can see on the other parts of my hair. That's what I'm trying to achieve right now. So once I've done that, I'm just gonna go ahead and fluff it out, try to arrange it. And you guys, this is a cute style on its own, right? Like, it's giving I'm a Barbie girl. I lie. But this is a very cute style on its own, right? I don't know if I'll be able to carry this, but it's a cute style. So next, I'm just going to go ahead and loosely twist this hair, right? I didn't twist it too tight or too loose. I just, somewhere in the middle, I loosely twisted it all the way to the ends. And I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other section of hair as well. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a return subscriber, you, my friend, are the real G. Okay, thank you for always stopping by my channel and watching my videos. And if it's your first time here, you're super duper welcome. Please don't make it your last. All right, do well to join this family by clicking on the red subscribe button below. Also turn on post notification so you get notified every time I upload the video on here. I'm Chinonso Okoronkwo, a Nigerian bridal hairstylist and makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria. On this channel, I film about all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. Once I'm done twisting, I'm just going to grab the two sections, crisscross them, and pin them in place. You guys, that's basically the style. Like, see how cute that looks? That's basically the style. All right, so yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and start pinning at those points. Take one section, crisscross that, all right, and I'll take it underneath itself, or underneath that bone, that section, and I'll grab just a bobby pin and use that to secure the ends in place. All right, so as I'm pinning or as I'm going, I'm arranging it, okay, making sure that they are as equal as possible. Is looking nice. All right, just before I pin it down, just so I don't have to go back and start taking out my pin because they are not equal after I've pinned them down. Do you get? So you will be arranging it as you're going. Feel free to go back with some more bobby pins to pin them in place, but I just used just two bobby pins and this hair was secure. Next, I went in with some got to be hairspray just because I wanted to keep this hair in for a while. All right, and you guys, that's basically it. Easy peasy lemon squeeze. Very easy, right? Super easy. If I can do it, so can you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. All right, will you be recreating this look? If you will, please let me know in the comments. And what again am I supposed to say? Yeah, it's been a while I did this. What again am I supposed to say? Oh my Jesus. You guys go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, share. All right, if you have content ideas that you want me to film, all right, please let me know in the comment section. Use the comment section, baby. Guys, drop comments on the comment sections. What am I saying? drop your comments in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. All right, and until I see you guys in my next video, guys, stay fab and stay blessed.